We are very happy to announce that EagerLED LED Display Factory has received an order from a Bahrain customer for a total of 240 pieces of P3.91 indoor 500 by 1000mm LED screens. This is a high recognition of our technical strength and service level, and also a verification of our commitment to providing the best quality and service to our customers. As a professional LED display manufacturer, we are always committed to providing customers with high-quality products and excellent services. From product design to production and manufacturing, we always put quality first, and strictly control everything from material selection to production process to ensure that the LED screen has stable performance and excellent picture effects. For this order, we will ensure on-time delivery and provide full professional pre-sales consultation and after-sales service support. Our technical team will provide guidance during the installation and commissioning process to ensure that the LED screen achieves the best results under the requirements set by the customer.